Hi, I'm Bailey and welcome to the Tribeca Knowledge Hub. Today we'll be going over how to manage Windows updates in Windows 10 and 11. Updates are critical because they bring valuable security patches to your device. This means that the operating system can be always kept up to date. To update your device, head onto the Windows desktop and hit the Windows key. This will bring up the Start menu. From there, type Check for Updates. Inside of the Settings panel, there should be some updates that are available. From there, you can click either Check for Updates or Retry if some have failed. Upon clicking the Retry or Check for Updates button, Windows will then scan automatically to find the best updates for your device. This includes security patches, feature updates and driver updates. When your device is finished updating, it's always best practice to restart to make sure that it is on the current version of Windows. If you scroll down to the bottom of this Update Settings panel, you'll see an option for Advanced Options. Inside of this menu, if you hit Optional Updates, it will take you to the available driver updates. So when you plug in a new device or connect a new printer, you'll be able to see the most current firmware for that and install it on your PC. Thanks for watching.